How to create a ChatGPT account. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser or open the ChatGPT app on your phone. And then you'll be greeted with this screen right here. So what you can do is click on continue with Google if you want to sign in or sign up with a Google account. You can also use Apple or your phone number or type an email address. You can click on sign up for free from the bottom right side here, and you can type an email address if you want to sign up with a separate email, or you can click on continue with Google if you want to quick sign up. And once you've selected your Google account that you want to use, you should be signed in very quickly. And now you should be ready to use ChatGPT, and your account is already set up, which you can see from here. You can go to the settings and the profile and customize your account. You can also log out from here and add different accounts if you want to. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.